Hello my dear students. Today I am going to continue remaining part. The name of the lesson is Shh. So let's our short recap regarding in the previous class. Students, what we have discussed in the previous class? Yes, we have discussed in the previous class. Here Pandit Prahalad, he was very eager to know that about new mantra, right? So that's why he has got to group of women. On that time, women has got to him, this sound is a mantra to help increase anything. That's why we say that mantra as good to group of women to whom? Yes, here Pandit Prahalad, right? And he was very astonishingly and he replied to them like this, really? To increase anything? Like this he replied to astonishingly, isn't it? Yes. First of all, he was a greedy person and also he was a foolish man. Like this, he was very astonishingly about that new mantra. That's why he thought like this, if I use this mantra, I do not have to work and I can sit at home and I can increase our wealth. Like this he thought himself only, right? That's why he, without his wasting time, he was walking hurriedly on that place, right? And also he saw a wounded dog and also he always thinking that new mantra, shh, shh. He always thinking that new mantra only, isn't it? Yes. In these are all we have discussed in the previous class. Have you understood in the previous class, dear? Yes. Today I will continue the remaining part. All of you open your textbook, page number 27. Now I will read and explain this text. Listen carefully. All are ready to listen my words? Yes. As there was not much water in the water channel, nothing happened to him, but he forgot the mantra. Here he fell down into the channel, right? Already we discussed in the previous class. On the time, as there was not much water, ಆ ಒಂದು ಚಾನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನೋ ನೀರಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. In the water channel, nothing happened to him. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. But he forgot the mantra. What's the meaning of forgot? Yes, ಮರೆಯೋದು. What's the forgot? Its opposite words? Remember, right? He forgot that mantra. Nothing happened to him, but he forgot that mantra. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಅವನು ಮಂತ್ರವನ್ನ ಮರ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Beating his chest, he shouted, "Alas, I have lost, I have lost." Here, see, look at that picture. He beating his chest, only he is beating his chest. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವನ ಹೃದಯ ಬಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. He shouted, ತುಂಬ ಕೂಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. What he shouted? Alas, I have lost it, I have lost it. Like this he shouted, right? Yes. The women who were working in the nearby paddy field heard this and came running. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಹಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡೀಸ್ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್, ನೋ? ಸೊ ದೇ ವರ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್, ದೇ ವರ್ ಕಮ್ very fastly on that place. Okay. Pandit Prahalad wailed again. Again he wailed again. Pandit Prahalad ತುಂಬಾ ಗೋಳಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. I have lost it, I have lost it, like this. ನಾನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. What's the meaning of lost? Yes, it means ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಕಳೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಮಂತ್ರವನ್ನು ಅವನು ಮರ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. I have lost it, I have lost it. Again he wailed like this. Okay. Oh, I have lost it, the woman asked. Tell me, tell what you have lost. One woman asked to him, tell what you have lost. ನೀನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದಾದ್ರೂ ಏನು? I myself don't know. ನನಗೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಏನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. He said, He must have lost it in the water. ನಾನು ಈ ನೀರೊಳಗಡೆನೆ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ felt into the water channel, I have lost it in the water only. Like this asked to woman, right? One woman said, ನೀನು ನೀರೊಳಗಡೆನೆ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ. Is it so precious? ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ, ನೀರೊಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದವಾಗ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಳೆದೋಯ್ತಾ? It is so precious. What's the meaning of precious, dear? Yes, it means valuable. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೆಲೆ ಬಾಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವಸ್ತುನ ಅದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. Another woman asked, one woman asked to like this. He must have lost in the water. ನೀನು ನೀರೊಳಗಡೆನೆ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ. Another one woman asked to him, it is so precious. Already I know that. What's the meaning of precious? Yes. It means valuable. Okay. It means valuable. Okay. Another woman asked. Prahalad nodded his head. What's the meaning of nodded? No, it like this. Nodded. Okay. Yes. Nodded his head. We will help you by draining out the water. We are all help you. Draining by water. ಆ ಒಂದು ಬರಿದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಾಟರ್ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚಾನಲಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಾಕಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನೀರು ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂತಹ ಪ್ರೀಶಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಸ್ತು ಆದರೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ದೇ ಸೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಡ್ರೈನ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಚಾನಲ್. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ ನೀರನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ they were, after some time, the woman sat down to rest for a while. ತುಂಬ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವ ನೀರನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಾಕಿ. ಸೊ ನೀರನ್ನು ಚಾನಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನೀರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಿದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವುಮೆನ್ಸು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್. while sat down on the floor, they were relaxations. They were making that sound shh like this. Okay. As soon as Pandit heard this, he jumped with joy. He have lost only like that, no? That mantra. What is the mantra? Shh only, right? So he heard the sound and jumped with a joy. When he was heard that sound, he was jumped and joyfully. Right? Yes. Hurrah! I got it. Hurrah! I got it. Got it finally. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗೂ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಸಿಕ್ಕೇ ಬಿಡ್ತು. And started to run towards village. Again he started to run his village. ಅವನ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಓಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Dear students, what we have observed, he is a foolish man. He was a very intelligent person. He was an astrologer, but he was no common sense for his. So give importance to just for a common sense, right? Yes. What we have understood this lesson, dear? Yes, we are also have gained one of the most important characters, that is good common sense, right? Yes. Have you understood, dear, this lesson? Yes. It is the end of this lesson. Hope you all understood, students. Thank you.